Our viewers everywhere you are, you're most welcome. I'm Mr. Paul Lowland, a senior lecturer at Frontier College for a couple of years. I'm feeling very interested this time to share with you about the concept that we are giving to the nation, and most especially to our specific student of Frontier College. Frontier College, as the best institution in the whole of Somalia, we are trying to teach different language skills, including reading, writing, speaking, and even listening. But basically, I want to share with you about the writing skills. The writing concepts, it is the only way where you can present your communication through a written form. And it is the most important aspect of English language. We are here doing a lot of work to enable, to enrich our students with the most affordable writing skills. We are teaching academic writing, business writing, so that the curriculum we are giving them is highly enriched. It's enriching and benefiting every person who's ever takes part of it. Writing skills is a challenging aspect to some people. We are not measuring in handwriting, but writing concepts. How can you do the best quality of academic writing? Letters, compositions in academic writing, poems, books, mention it. The only way to do it is to give you enough knowledge about it with the highly motivated and the professionalized international lectures at Frontier College. Academic writing needs what we call creativity, bringing out the pictures in the mind that you will write about the situation, both imaginary and the real situations, so that you give the clear description, following the steps to follow, so that by the end of it all, you are producing a qualitative written thing in form of stories, form of compositions, in form of letters, in form of dialogue. Mention it. Really, here we are very much endowed to offer you whatever you need. Please don't miss. Come to Frontier College. You are writing problem. You are writing problem in every writing aspect. We have got the immediate solution to make you what you want, to make you what you will get in future. Please, dare you not to miss. Come and explore. This is the only opportunity that is existing in Somalia, not even in Somalia, but even far beyond. Thank you for your coming. We shall be very pleased for your presence. Tell your brothers, tell your sisters, tell your friends. Come and discover something which is very secretive and very significant to your academic career, inshallah. Thank you.